What's up guys, in this video I will show you my top 4 Battle Royale NFT play to earn games. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so let's start off with Thetan Arena. This is the landing page of Thetan Arena. Link will be in the description of the video, guys. It is created by Wolf Fund. Thetan Arena, guys, is a blockchain-based multiplayer online battle arena. It is available in PC, Android, and iOS devices. Thetan Arena, guys, is also play to earn, and it is actually quite famous in the crypto space industry for its MOBA gameplay that is actually fun as well. So the NFT used in Thetan Arena, guys, gives players ownership over the game characters and other items such as the skin and the weapons. And the game can also be played for free without having the need for the NFT. Although it is not required for you to have an NFT to play this game, it is quite challenging and it requires a lot of skill for you to earn profit this way. So go ahead and check them out, guys. And then this is actually the roadmap right here. So we are already at this phase. It's at phase 3. Thetan Rivals launch, Thetan Rivals tournament, you have guild system already, you have social system, you have streaming system, and monthly game content updates. So you can go ahead and check them out as well. This is something that has been out there for quite some time already. It has been there since 2021, if I'm not mistaken. So you could see here that the global launch date was November 27, 2021 already. So it has been quite some time since they first started and it's still here. So this is a legitimate project that you guys need to check out and see, you know, if this is something that you would be interested in. All right, so that is Thetan Arena. Next in line, guys, is the Light Knight. I like this game for some reason. I tried playing this game already. It's like Fortnite. You have like hexagonal characters in there. It's fun, and you know, I feel that this is worth it. It's fun to play. There's a lot of players already playing this game as well, and you could go ahead and check out their website. See for yourself, you know, what are the things that you would interest you in playing this game. But the live server is already up in the running since 2021. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the roadmap, guys. 2019 to 2020 was the groundwork. It was a very long time ago. Pre-alpha release was in 2022. So that was actually the time when I was able to test them out. They have the deathmatch game, the weapon system, friend system. They have PvP and PvE already. And then the Light Knight 2021 World Cup. And then the alpha release came after next in 2022. And then 2022 beta release play to earn. And then Q4 was the NFT launch and the IDO and DApp launch as well. And Q4, guys, was the NFT launch. So the LNC airdrop to NFT holders and the IDO and DApp launch was in the Q4 of 2022. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the trailer right here. That way you could see a sneak peek. But it's gonna be available in the website, guys. It's also available in the description of the video. It's kind of like Fortnite, right? I mean, you airdrop, you jump out of an airplane, and then, you know, battle other people. It's a shooting game, guys. It's fun. I mean, really, the gameplay is not bad at all. It's very, very unique. And I feel this is something that's worth it to play if you would like to, you know, play to earns as well. All right, so that is Light Knight, guys. Go ahead and check them out as well. And then let's go ahead and check out Grit. All right, so Grit is going to be coming in 2023. So it's 2023 now. Hopefully within the next months, we will be able to experience this Battle Royale game. So Ride or Die and the Ultimate Wild West Battle Royale. It's like a cowboy type Western theme type of game. All right, so Grit, guys, is an all new Battle Royale game set in the frontier of the Wild West. And you can go ahead and check them out, guys. I would strongly suggest that you join and follow their social media platforms. They have their Twitter here, their Facebook, their Instagram, and their YouTube channel. Go ahead and check them out. That way you'll always be notified when they have like updates or announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything like that that will be announced on their social media platforms. So go ahead and check them out. Follow and subscribe on their social media channels. And then last but not the least, guys, Blast Royale. So this is actually a fun game. So it is available in Google Play and App Store for iOS, and you could also download the APK here for those people that are using their PC to play in an Android type of environment. So this is, let's go ahead and check this one out real quick. So this is the trailer. Nice, look at that. See? Nice. So they're kind of similar. I mean, this one is kind of similar with Thetan Arena, you know, the type of battle that they had, or the one that they showed earlier. But this one right here, it's unique. You can go ahead and check out Blast Royale in their website as well. So that is the trailer. All right, so what I like about MOBA games, guys, is again, it's fast, fun, and frenetic. And the most importantly, guys, it allows a lot of players to have a chance of earning money through playing. Those are the type of things that I like about MOBA in the play to earn space. I mean, you play the games you love and then you earn from it as well. So it's a skill-based type of MOBA gaming taken to the next level where you could go ahead and play and earn, right? So go ahead and check out Blast Royale and the rest of the other MOBA games that I showed in this video. All of the links will be available in the description, and of course, stay at the end of this video, guys. The end screen videos will definitely be beneficial in terms of you getting to know more about the crypto industry. And if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.